Hey, if you've ever been tempted by the crazy gains in meme coins, you probably also know the horror stories. Coins that skyrocket overnight, only to crash just as fast, leaving investors holding worthless bags. That's the dreaded rug pull. Today, I'm going to show you how to spot the warning signs of a meme coin rug pull using ZenChain AI, so you can protect your money and trade smarter. Meme coins can be fun, exciting, and sometimes insanely profitable. But let's be real, most of them are risky. The biggest problem? You don't know if the project is legit or if the developers are planning to pull the rug and disappear with everyone's funds. Traditional research takes hours, and by the time you figure it out, the whales have already moved on. That's why ZenChain AI is such a game changer. ZenChain AI is a crypto dashboard built to track whale wallets, analyze sentiment, and uncover hidden risks in projects. Instead of guessing, you get real-time data on what smart money is buying, what they're dumping, and whether a coin is showing red flags. Let's break down how you can use ZenChain to know if a meme coin is a rug pull before it's too late. First, head into the whale tracker. This feature shows you what top Ethereum and Solana wallets are buying and selling. If whales are suddenly injecting big money into a meme coin, that's worth paying attention to. But here's the catch. If you see whales pulling out just as fast, that's a huge warning sign. Rug pulls often happen when insiders pump a coin, attract hype, and then dump everything, leaving retail traders stuck. Next, click into token details. ZenChain pulls charts, SMA, MACD indicators, and even social sentiment from platforms like X. If the sentiment is overwhelmingly bullish, but the chart shows sudden spikes with no organic growth, that's suspicious. Rug pulls thrive on hype without fundamentals. ZenChain's AI sentiment analysis helps you cut through the noise and see if the excitement is real or manufactured. Another critical check is holder distribution. ZenChain shows you how many wallets actually hold the token. If one or two wallets control the majority of supply, that's a red flag. It means the project isn't decentralized, and those wallets could dump everything at once. Real projects have wider distribution. Rug pulls are concentrated in just a few hands. Don't forget to check the Out Tokens tab. This shows what whales are selling. If you notice heavy sell pressure on a meme coin right after a pump, it's often a setup for a rug pull. ZenChain makes this visible in minutes, saving you from hours of digging through blockchain explorers. Finally, ZenChain has a dedicated meme coin section. This pulls data from pump sites and shows top gainers, market cap, and 24-hour volume. If a coin is skyrocketing but has no social presence, no website, and no long-term conviction from whales, it's likely a short-term pump and dump. ZenChain lets you click straight into DEX Screener, sniff the token, and confirm whether it's safe or sketchy. The best part? You don't need to be a blockchain expert. ZenChain was built to cut research time from hours to minutes. Even beginners can use it to spot rug pulls before they happen. Real users have already avoided losses and even doubled their money by following whale activity instead of chasing hype blindly. So here's the bottom line. Meme coins can make you money, but only if you know how to avoid the traps. Rug pulls are everywhere, but with ZenChain AI, you get the tools to see through the hype, track smart money, and protect your investments. If you're serious about trading smarter, click the link below to get access to ZenChain AI today. It's affordable, beginner-friendly, and comes with full training and community support. Don't wait until you're the next victim of a rug pull. Equip yourself with the right tools now. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto insights, and share this with a friend who's diving into meme coins. Stay smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.